I'll be showing you how to prepare sashimi, from cleaning to plating. First, we need to clean the fish. We remove the scales and gut it. Then rinse it under cold water and pat it dry with paper towels. Using a sharp knife, we carefully remove any bones from the fish. We make a small incision on the flesh along the bone and slide the blade along the bone to remove it. Next, we use a sharp, non-serrated knife to cut the fish into thin, even slices. We slice against the grain of the fish to ensure a smoother texture. Finally, we plate the sashimi. We arrange the slices of fish on a plate or platter, and we can add garnishes such as sliced vegetables or herbs for color and flavor. And there you have it, a perfectly prepared plate of sashimi. And we always recommend pairing them with a cold beer.